Hi viewers, we are going to discuss about tractors, power tillers, bulldozers, classification and applications in farm mechanization, right? At first, we are going to discuss about tractors, right? Tractor is a mechanized vehicle designed for pulling farm implements, right? It's essentially replace animal labor for tasks like ploughing, sowing, and transportation. Okay, there are several types of tractors. Okay, first one is wheeled and crawler, mini and garden tractors. Okay, each type is suited for different task and field conditions. Okay, for example, on a medium-sized farm, okay, a wheeled tractor can plow multiple acres in a single day, right? A job that would take several farmers and bullocks to complete in days. Okay, tractors are widely used for plowing, harrowing, and transporting crops. Okay. Power tillers, right? Next, going to see about power tillers. It is a small engine driven tillage machine. Okay, they are ideal for small and medium sized farms where using a full sized tractor might not be economical, right? But the power tillers performs plowing, harrowing, and putting, making them versatile for rice and vegetable farming. Okay, for example, a farmer with just 2 acres of land and use a power tiller to prepare the field for meaning the rice. Okay, this is much cheaper and easier than using a tractor, but it will be very economical alternative to tractors for small land holdings. Next, going to see about bulldozers, right? This bulldozers are heavy machines equipped with a front blade, right? They are mainly used for land leveling, clearing fields, and preparing irrigation channels. Bulldozers operates on crawler tracks, which provides stability even on uneven or muddy terrain. Okay. For example, before constructing a small irrigation canal, a bulldozer can quickly clear rocks and level the land. Okay, a job that manual labor would take weeks to accomplish. Operates on crawler tracks for stability here. Next, going to see about the classification of farm machinery, right? We have 4 types. First one is based on power source and based on operation, then based on mobility, and finally based on function, right? In based on power source, we can do manual, animal, and engine tractors powered, right? And based on operations, we can do tillage, planting, irrigation, or harvesting machinery, right? And in based on mobility, we can stationary or mobile machines. We can do stationary or mobile machines, right? And then finally, based on in function, primary and secondary or auxiliary implements we can do, right? In primary, for basic operations like the ploughing, and in secondary, we can do for harrowing, sowing, right? And in auxiliary implements, it's mainly used for transport or irrigation, okay? For example, we have tractor is engine powered, mobile and a primary implement, while a handheld seed drill is manual, mobile and secondary. Applications. These are the main applications. Tractors using for ploughing, hauling and sowing, and power tillers mainly used for small field tillage, pudding, and bulldozers mainly used for land leveling and field preparation, right? But overall we can save the labor, increase productivity and modern farming. Thank you.